the main people that I need to greet this morning is you, as the class of 2021, first class of 2021 engineering. We took time as management to think about what is it that we can do. The minister was here on the 3rd of December 2020 to come and launch this program. And today we are excited to have you as the first group of students. Like Mr. Kale has said, we did not fiddle and say, how do we get the students for this class? We looked for the best. So we are sitting here today and we want to come and endorse the confidence that we have in you as this new class for the University of Zululand. A milestone is different from an event or completion of a task, event, or milestone. A task, by definition, is a single item in a task list. It is something that is to be accomplished in a particular point. A milestone is a goal that you want to achieve for a list of tasks. An event is only associated with your calendar, which doesn't require a responsible deliverable and can't be marked. To get here, the university embarked on a series of activities. You may say it had to complete a number of tasks before we reach this goal. The process of getting where we are today started with a dream. This dream was translated into a vision. This initiated a number of processes, culminating with the accreditation of the programs. This achievement did not come without an effort and commitment of the people who dared to dream. It involved to and fro, ensuring proper collation of documents. To what I want to thank all those who made sure that this accreditation sees light today. Mr. Kale, as the Executive Director, Institutional Planning, Professor Downing, who's our professor from UCT that joined us to work and make this a reality. Professor Songa and Professor Mahlomohulu as the former DVCs, teaching and learning, who were also the driving force to ensure that we are here today. We are today proud to say we are joined by Professor Nomlomo as the new head that is going to champion the accreditation of moving forward the engineering programs at the University of Zululand, together with the Office of the Institutional Planner. I cannot leave academics in the Faculty of Science and Agriculture, because without them, we would not be here today. Today, the faculty is named Science, Agriculture and Engineering because of this occasion. Because of this event we are celebrating today. At the national level, the offering of engineering at the university is another milestone. Consistent with apartheid design and planning, the offering of engineering programs was the preserve of historically white and advantaged institutions. The offering of engineering by the university constitutes a disruption of the logic of apartheid. The architect of apartheid, Dr. Hendrik Verwoerd, famously stated, and I quote, "What is the use of teaching the Bantu child mathematics when it cannot use it in practice?" Close quote. Contrary to Verwoerd's idea, Mukubong contends that, I quote, "It is quite absurd because education must train people in accordance with their opportunities in life, according to the sphere in which they live," close quote. A trained psychologist, Verwoerd clearly understood the ramifications of domination through educational deprivation, better than anyone else who has lorded over the educational enterprise in South African history. This pronouncement was neither idle nor begin. It was profoundly cruel and criminal. Another first in the offering of the engineering program here is at the university is that this is the first program to be introduced in post-apartheid South Africa. The last such programs were introduced about 40 years ago. Today, as the University of Zululand, to offer engineering as a historically disadvantaged institution is indeed making history in this country. I thought it is important to make these preliminary remarks so that it's significant that it is not lost to us. We have sought to capture this moment also as ways of ensuring that these embroidered steps are not lost to prosperity. Indeed, future generations of students will come back to this moment and say, those who worked on this program, that thanks, you did it. And not only the people that made this a possibility, but to you, as curtain raisers, as people that are beginning something that is so new. We really depend on you to make us proud and to make history. Today, you are sitting here as the first group. We want to see you in years to come as the first group to graduate in engineering program. And we want to see all 100 of you, okay? So not here by mistake, and you will not carry legs. You know, Abantwana base Zululand, this is what they say at this university. When they don't pass the whole program, dafika apha besithi ondumiso, hayi ndinomlenze. Mna yini lo mlenze? Umlenze means you leave the other modules that you are supposed to be carrying in your second year, you leave them in first year. Asifuni mlenze apha. We want you to come in totality as you are, as this group. We want to see you graduating. We want to see 100 students graduating on the year we are expecting you to graduate. I'm also happy that you as current students have chosen UniZulu as the place of choice. In doing so, you are engaged in making that history with us. We are pleased to indicate that each of these students have received a bursary. Have you been told that? That we are here for free. But there's a responsibility and accountability for the sponsors. I want to see you, I want you to be the example of all students of this university, because we are beginning history. You know, some things, we found them here. And now we are building a new culture with you, and I'm inviting you to join us in that culture. I am not saying anything more than saying, I want you to know that you are welcome to build the history, the new history of this university. And when I say that, it must be at all levels. All levels. You must set an example of this class and say, we are a special group. They know the students in this university. I don't normally come and welcome students at the beginning of the year because the deans are here to do that. But we've made it special effort to say the whole executive team must come and witness the people that have come to join us to make the history of this university. So that's why I'm going to expect you to be exemplary. I'm going to expect you to set the standards so high so that other students that are hoping to be engineers tomorrow, they must say, we have looked and we have seen and we have witnessed the level of accountability that those students at UniZulu have displayed.